Hi everyone, it's Wendy Ramlakhan with SugarPea Designs. If this card looks familiar and you just saw it in my last video, I'm not coloring, it's already finished. What I'm going to show you now is how I created what I did to get this ribbon treatment. I've of course used ribbon from the ribbon Carousel, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, first what I did is I took a small strip that would fit my card of the ivory crocheted ribbon and a little bit of Rancho Red seam binding, vintage seam binding. So all I'm going to do is take a little bit more of a larger length than I would what I need right here. Okay, not a whole lot. Cut that off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to just weave and thread the seam binding right through this crocheted ribbon. It's going to be a little hard to just try and get this edge through all those holes in the crochet. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is take the seam binding and just weave it or thread it through the crocheted ribbon. And
I know what you
I've cut
tell me
the end in an angle so that I can put it through a large needle and use that so that I can get it through my ribbon. Don't start here at the very edge, because what you could accidentally just pull a little bit too tight and cause it to rip. So I would just go in one or two of these little holes, hold it tight so that you don't tear it. And once it actually just gets in there real quick, it pulls really easy. So just pull this back, hold it, and I was counting over 2 holes and going down and up the third. So I just went down the third hole. Now, when you get right here to this point, don't pull it tight. It looked nicer with it having kind of this little poofy look to it. So don't pull it tight. Count over to your third hole again and pull it back up. Don't pull tight. Third hole down. Leave that with some little poof there. And just keep doing this until you've got the entire length of it finished. Now, if you don't have one of these needles, which when I first did my card, I could not find it. I had it, just didn't know where it was. So I'm going to take this off and show you just another quick little trip. I'm just going to show you a quick little
tape.
So what I did is I took a piece of tape, just regular Scotch tape, and I just kind of twisted this end, Brooke, and taped it into kind of like a, rolled this tape around until it was into a point. And then just use this to weave it through. So you don't have to have a large needle. This will work just fine. It's almost like a shoestring thing on the end of your shoestring. That's Brooke. I apologize. So you just, oh, see, I did that wrong. I'm looking at her and not at my project. Just keep pulling it through until you get to the very end. And there you have it. Okay, here it is all finished. You can see it on this. Here's the finished product on this card right here. It's really simple, quick, easy. Takes 2 seconds to do. But I hope it gives you an idea of something different you can do with 2 different ribbons to create something totally new and different. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I appreciate you taking the time to check out my video. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.